To use jack earphones on the Redmi Note 14s, all you simply have to do is just grab your headphones or earphones with this headphone jack right here and plug it into your phone into the USB, the headphone port, which is available on the top of your device. So now let's simply plug it in, and as you plug these headphones into your phone, now as you open this quick settings right here, there will appear this little icon that the headphones are connected into your device, and from now on you are able to play anything on your device, like songs or watch videos, and the sound will play on your headphones. And also, if you change the volume of anything, if you actually want to change the volume, you will be able to see that you are changing the volume for your headphones. So yeah, that's basically it. Simply plug your headphones into your phone and now you are free to use them.